Hey guys, it's Jimmy here with True Homes. I'm sitting in my car right now getting ready to go in the gym, but I'm about to drop some knowledge on a great floor plan. It's the TA 1600. It is one of our value floor plans. You're going to be blown away at all the value you get inside this home at such a low price. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. Oh man, what a beautiful Carolina day. Blue skies. This is the TA 1600 ranch style floor plan, 3 beds, 2 full baths at the Glens community in Wingate, North Carolina. Fiber cement siding, hardy board fiber cement siding, and 30-year architectural roof shingles are standard in this community. Now, the covered porch is an add-on. We have multiple elevations you can choose from. You can do it without this extended covered porch, or you can do it with the covered porch. So without it, the covered area would begin right about here. Costs about $5,000 to add a covered porch without the brickwork. It's about $5,900 with that brick front accent. Now let's go on inside and take a look at this home. This home does have the wood laminate flooring throughout the common area. It's about a $4,600 upgrade off of the base price. I'm filming this in March of 2026. The base price is just under $320,000. That's always subject to change depending on when you're actually watching this video. Like I said, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. This is the front bedroom right here. 9-foot ceilings are standard. Now you notice the blue tape on here because this home is nearly completed. It is basically completed, and it's going to be closing very soon. So the blue tape is so our tradespeople, the buyers have already had their home orientation, and we're just going to come in and touch up some spots to make this house perfect for them when they move in. This is the 2nd bedroom. Take a look at this closet here. So nice, standard size closet from your front 2 bedrooms. So whether you need 3 bedrooms or functionally, maybe you need 2 bedrooms and an office, this home has that for you. Here is a look at the secondary bathroom. So in the secondary bathroom, the tub shower combo is going to come standard. That's a preform shower or preform tub shower combo there. You can always upgrade this to tile, and if you do, we will tile it all the way up to the ceiling. There's also an option if you want to do a shower instead of the bathtub. And then this has a single bowl vanity. I believe there may be an option if you want a dual bowl vanity instead to add that. Here's a look at the 2-car garage. Good sized garage. You got a couple of feet on both sides of your garage door. There's the water heater right there. All right, now let's get back into the house. Check out the main living area. This is gonna be a coat closet right there. And now in the main living space, you've got a dining room right here towards the front. You've got a kitchen with this huge island, and then the great room. I'll tell you another really cool add-on is that picture window right there. So normally it comes with 2 windows right here that pretty much take up the space where that picture window is. There's an option where you can do 3 standard size windows, or with the picture window, it's essentially like having 4 windows across the back. Brings in a ton of natural light, as you can see right there. When you do the wood laminate floors, you can choose from multiple colors. This is a level 1.5, or sustainable wood laminate floor. We have different levels you can choose from as well. The included flooring on this house, because this is an integrity spec level community, the included flooring would be carpet in the main area. Like I said, it's about a $4,600 upgrade to do this flooring throughout all the common areas in the house. Now, this is the white Maddie cabinets. It's $1,075 to upgrade from our brown stained Seacrest cabinets to the white laminate Maddie cabinets, 36-inch cabinets with a 42-inch stagger. You see the castling here, so this is 36 inches high. This goes up to 42. And then there's your pantry right there. Cool thing about all of our cabinet doors, including the pantry door, is they are soft close. Look at that. So if you get mad and you want to slam the door, it's still gonna close. You don't quite get that satisfaction of slamming the door. So check out that huge island, and then your great room space right here. So this is your hangout spot where you're gonna put the couch and the chairs, the lazy boy, the TV, and you're gonna be connected to the kitchen, which is nice. You have your separate dining space over there so everybody can sit down. You're not distracted by the TV. You have your private space to eat. You can also use that kitchen island as a dining space as well. And then here is your laundry room. Now this is something I really like. You don't see this all the time, but a linen closet or storage closet inside of the laundry room. So it gives you extra space to store things away. And there's the linen closet right there. So you have the linen closet right here in the hallway, the storage closet inside the laundry room. And then here is the primary bedroom right here. Really nice sized room. This is a big primary bedroom right here. And then here's a look at the bathroom. You get the dual bowl vanity. Now they went with the Maddie cabinets right here, which was also a slight upgrade. Only cost about $100 to do that. We have the 5-foot walk-in shower. They did upgrade to a subway tile. This comes as a preformed walk-in shower, but you have the option if you want to upgrade to tile, you can do that. And then here's a look at the walk-in closet. What a great house. All right, guys, so the tour is completed. That's the TA 1600. What an amazing floor plan for such a great price. It's part of our True Advantage lineup. Let me know what you think in the comments about this particular floor plan. Are you interested in moving to a True Homes community? Are you interested in purchasing a completed home or building a home from scratch? I'm here to help. Contact me directly at 704-313-8514. Don't go to the True Homes website. Don't go scheduling an appointment with someone that you don't know and trust already. That's what I'm here for. Again, contact me directly at 704-313-8514. I want to be your True Homes advisor throughout the whole process. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.